Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do leave your comments so that I will know how much you're resonating, and do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as and when I bring videos, because I have started bringing videos now. So that's the reason, and I hope you all are doing really good with all the health, wealth and abundance. So let's see. I have taken out a different set of cards, and let me pull out the first card. Wondrous Universe. Walk in Beauty. This card reminds me of my magic man, my Merlin man. So let's see what is the other card that is coming. Okay, as usual, I have ended up taking out two cards. Trust there's a divine plan and ascending the mountain. Keep going forward. So let's see what these cards are going to give you a message on how your day is going to be today. But first thing, before I start further, because for me it's the Merlin man, my magic man, if you get some time, please buy some red velvet cake and offer it to him, and you can have it along with your family also, because this card just says how beautiful we are, how your life has transformed, and how the universe always keeps blessing you, always keeps giving you good things. So just just see the beauty around you and see the beauty within you. Today is going to be a beautiful day with all the beautiful things which will unfold in your life, and you will be happy that things were really good, because somewhere, even the second card, if you see, the card is saying there is a divine plan. So maybe even the God says that God wants you to know that you are not left alone, and I am surrounding you, I am there for you, and I shall always guide you in whatever way I can. So just be open, because some information or some message he is going to give you which is going to change your life, and somewhere he just says move forward. So if you have decided on some plan today, if you have decided to start something new today, then maybe you should go ahead with it. If you're planning to invest in something, then maybe today is the day for you to invest in that and move forward in that. But overall, today the day is going to be beautiful, wonderful, and full of surprises and happiness. My Merlin man, so obviously the color is going to be blue today. So today wear the color blue. I know, if I think recently also I've said blue, but if you don't want the blue, then wear the color white, because I always love seeing him in white also. So either the color blue or the white. And today, start your day by chanting Merlin magic begins now. I always love doing that affirmation. So start your day with that, and end of the day, as I said, offer him a red velvet cake, and I'm sure he's going to bless you, because he's going to be happy that you offered him something which he likes. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.